Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. Today we are going to fix the road, and Leo will help us in this work. Leo said that today we will clean our road properly and make it look really good. For this, we need your support, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that everyone feels motivated and helps us clean the road even more. So let's get started. First, we will build Leo, and after that, we will begin cleaning the road. Come on, let's clean the road. This is our first turn, and you can see how dirty this road is, so we need to fill the potholes. Come on, let's fill this pothole. One pothole is completely filled. Now let's move forward. It's time for the second pothole. We found another bucket, and now we are filling this one as well very nicely. This pothole is also filled properly. Now it's time for the third pothole. We are moving toward it, and now Leo will clean that part of the road too. Leo did his job very well, and now you should also subscribe. Don't forget, after so much hard work, please give us at least one subscriber.